Think about this. How many hours do you waste every single week on boring, repeating tasks, emails, report, notification, the stuff that eats your time but doesn't grow your business? What if I told you AI could take over all of that? That's why adopting AI is now a game changer. And today I will show you top 5 AI automation that will save your hours every single day. To the future of automation. Save 10 plus hours weekly with AI. NA10 plus AI equal to your personal super assistant. Let's unlock insane productivity together. AI email assistant. Stop drowning in emails. Instantly summarize long threads. Auto draft replies in second. Look professional. Stay productive. Next automation is PDF and document data extractor. Upload any invoice, bill or receipt. AI extract the key information like date, amount, vendor name, organization name. Data goes straight into Google Sheet or CRM. Zero manual typing. Next, AI customer support bot. What it will do? Your 24 into 7 AI powered support agent answering FAQs instantly on Telegram or Slack. Reduce manual workload by 80%. Happier customer, less stress. Next, what you can do? You can create a social media content generator so it will reduce your effort. Never run out of content ideas again. AI creates post, caption, hashtags. Publish to LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook. Work smarter, not harder. Next AI automation is meeting notes and task generator. You can record a meeting, AI transcribe that meeting instantly, summarize and action item will be auto created, task sent directly to email or Slack. No more lost ideas. Why these automations are game changers? It will cut down the boring repeating task, save hours of time every single week, stay focused on creativity and growth, build your own AI powered empire. So first we will start with AI email assistant. Let's go to N8N and I will show you how you can create an AI email assistant. So you can see in my screen I have created a AI powered customer support agent. What it will do? When we received any email in your inbox, the AI will check the intent of the email. If it is a customer support, then it will routed this thing to the customer support agent, or the email is related to customer inquiry, then it will check that email content and our AI agent will automatically create an email and it will draft that email on behalf of you. So you can see we have used a Gmail trigger here. After that we will use a set node to get the actual email content and the email sent by the customer, and then we will pass those things to the message model. It will check the email content and based on the email content it will route to the customer support agent. So as you can see, if the email is related to customer support, it will go to customer support agent, and I have used a Google Gemini chat model. So it will search our knowledge base database and it will draft an email for review. To test this workflow, we need to send two different email. One is related to customer support and another is related to customer inquiry. Now I will quickly send two emails from my another email ID so it can check and draft the email on behalf of us. Now I will send that email to my another email. So let's send. You can see I have received that email. I need an e-commerce website. I would like to start an online e-commerce business. For that, I need a website and mobile app. I would like to give you a quote about cost. My budget is $2000. So let's go to the workflow and I will click execute workflow. So now it will fetch my recent email. On depending on that, it will check whether it is a customer support or it is a customer inquiry. And the email I sent, that was a customer inquiry, and depending on that, our AI agent checks that it is not the customer support email, it is a customer inquiry. So depending on that, it already created a draft and it's ready for me, and I can just check and send that email. It is always better to create an email draft ready for you. You just look into that email and make the necessary changes and send that email to the customer. So let's quickly check the email one, and I will refresh this. Now you can see the draft is ready. So let's click on that. So now you can see, dear XYZ Corporation, thank you for reaching out and for your interest in developing a e-commerce website and a mobile app with ABC Corporation. So we are happy to assist you in launching your business based on your indicated budget of $2,000. We would like to suggest a schedule a call or meeting to better understanding your requirement and the expectation. So as you can see, on behalf of me, my agent already created draft for me. I will just check and send that email to the customer. So you can see my workflow is working correctly. Now it's time to check the customer support one. Before that, I would like to show you my knowledge database, from where it will fetch the information and it will send and it will create a email draft. This is my knowledge database with using Google Sheet. We have put some simple FAQ question. What services does ABC Corporation provide? We offer website design, development, mobile development, custom software, cloud services, something like that. And we have created like 10 to 15 questions, and also we have added some terms and condition. So let's send an email which define that what ABC Corporation provide. So let's go to email again, and I will send an email and I will show you how it works. I sent another email from my another email ID. The details of my email, that I have written that, dear ABC Corporation support team, we have received this email. Now it's time to go back to the AI agent. Click on the execute workflow. Now the message model, now you can see it is a customer support, and the email we have received is related to customer support, and it's sent to the customer support agent, and the customer support goes to knowledge base database and fetch that information with the help of Google Gemini chat model and create a draft in my email. So let's check the draft. So if I refresh this, now you can see I have received my draft that is created on behalf of me, my AI agent. So let's check it. It's already provide me the content. So dear email ID, the AI has put the email ID because our AI agent did not recognize the name of the customer. If we send any name in the mail body, then it will definitely recognize the customer name. But so we understand you are requesting assistant with the website access and the billing process. We are helped to guide through the next step, and next it has automatically created some email, and now it is ready to send. You can just check, and if you need to change anything, you can change something in that email and you can send. Running any business and you have a lack of resources and you wasted hours of time, then set up this type of AI agent that can handle the customer request or the customer inquiry without any human intervention. Now I will go through the all the nodes and my prompt that I use to create this AI agent. So first we need to add a Gmail trigger node. You can just click on the Gmail trigger node and you need to select on message received. So once you received any message or the new email, and according to that our AI agent will create the draft on behalf of you. If I click on this, you can see my Gmail trigger node is ready. So next, if I click on this, you can see it fetch my recent email. This is the email we received from my another email, the dear ABC customer support team. I hope this message is fine. I am reaching out to request assistance regarding website access and the billing process. Please let me know the next step or if you can. So we have received this email in my mailbox and it fetched that record, and after that I have used a set node to segregate customer email, message thread id, inquiry and date. So let's go through from where you can get these things. So you can just Gmail node, you have your subject, from email and the to email. You have the customer email. So after receiving the information from our message model, we have used a switch to determine whether the customer query is a customer support or customer inquiry. Now for customer support agent, we have used a Google Gemini chat model. We will go through our prompt that we retain in the customer support agent. That agent will create the draft on behalf of us. So let's go through this. So we have mentioned that the system role, you are a highly skilled and empathic customer support agent specialized in drafting professional and helpful responses to incoming customer email. So there is a task specification, and this is the specific and the context. So it will, according to that, our AI agent will create the draft on behalf of us. So that's it for today's video. Hit subscribe and like my channel, and please comment below if you want to build this type of workflow in your organization. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.